Hey, how are y'all? My name's Keith, and I'm from Boston. I've been trying to learn how to make money offline for the past 3 months or so due to Corona. Like, my industry there was just no jobs. So I had to find another way. Um, so in the beginning of my journey, I ran into a bunch of programs that I thought that they were good for me to learn how to make money online, how to become a successful person online, and none of them has really helped me because none of them gave me the core basics of what I needed to learn. And so yeah, none of them just worked. They were just videos that just led me nowhere. And then one day somebody approached me online about the Junior Anthony's 2-day workshop. At first, I was kind of skeptical, me knowing of what I have been through. And then after of just like engaging with the community for like a week or two, I took the leap of faith and I joined the 2-day workshop. Oh boy, I can say I should have done it sooner. I shouldn't have been skeptical. Junior Anthony taught us a lot in those 2 days. 2 days of teaching of us the core values of things that we needed to learn to make money online successfully. I want to thank Junior Anthony. It's amazing what you are doing. Keep on doing what you are doing, boy. And yeah, join the 2-day live workshop. Don't procrastinate. Take your life serious because you are investing in you. I took the leap of faith and I invested in me, and I'm doing good now. So yeah. So joining the 2-day live workshop, it's worth it. You won't regret it.